And as we're looking back to the teaching itself, what the great master Zhigpo Dutsi said in this teaching, and that is started Dzogchen practitioner with the bodhicitta. And bodhicitta is the foundation of the Dzogchen practices. Bodhicitta is, again, as you all know, that is thinking of all beings, to help to the sentient beings, to benefit the sentient beings. That is what it is compassion. And again, to do practice the compassion and practice thinking of all sentient beings, then it didn't mean we should also ignore ourselves or one's own self. If we want to help to the other beings, if we like to be beautiful persons, first we have to click ourselves. We have to change ourselves. Change is not going to start from outside, from others. If we're really thinking as practitioner, change must be started practicing itself, from individual itself. That means bodhicitta is not just focused outside, but focused with yourself, look ourselves, and how our negative emotions are developing, how is expanding, how is reducing, how is doing. That is we should look, read our mind, read ourselves, and that is what really the bodhicitta can be developed. So bodhicitta practice is not just started from outside, but started from with our heart, with our mind, with the courage and the commitment. Then it's becoming true practitioners. Buddha teaching is observing in the heart, not going into from A to A, or from the right side A and going to the left side of the ears. It's really observing in the heart. That is what means receive the teaching, apply the teaching, and reflect the teaching. So that is what it means. When we have this beautiful rooted with bodhicitta, let it shine and glow in our heart and mind, and then let that shine to the others. With that thought, and then also we are not going to wait to shine this bodhicitta to our heart, to the others. And then in the second teaching of the Zhigpo Dutsi, what we say? Reflecting the impermanent. Impermanent is right with us. It's not just going to come in the future. It is here, it is always with us, and we should take every opportunity to actualize ourselves, improve ourselves, and not waiting for some other days. We have to apply now. That is also known as the very good practitioners. That we should always think, reflect the teaching as much as you can every day and every time, and thinking of this situation, impermanent, all of these things. And the time is precious. For everything, opportunity. It's teaching said many times, and you all know, we all know. This is, everything is good state now. Everything is glory in beautiful status. And 90%, or 85% is good with us. We have every reason to be joy and happy and appreciate, and we are going to use this time for the good improvement of good things. It's not going to stay forever with us. So therefore, sense of courage and commitment, and sense of practical, more kind of like down to the earth, and then use this time and the situation. And that is then great Master Zhigpo said, reflected impermanent. With that thought, a strong sense of devotion and joy and appreciation all the time. Kind of feel that richness qualities into the heart and mind. That is what necessary, all this. And with those all thought, then in the teaching said, take refuge and take refuge. The refuge and bodhicitta is combined together. He said, bodhicitta is the kind of first, and the refuge is the second. So when we do this, feel the presence of all the enlightened beings, Buddhas, Bodhisattvas, all the Padma Samye Ling, as in the teaching says, feel that presence, which is surrounded by all the enlightened beings, all the arhatas, the lineage masters. In front of that, we are going to reflect the bodhicitta, develop the bodhicitta, radiating that and close feel connected to the Buddha Dharma Sangha, and then do all the beautiful prayers of the bodhicitta and beautiful prayers of the refuge. That chanting is nothing but reflecting the meaning that what you meditated. So meditation and chanting inseparably, and you do that. And finally, again, as the teaching said, as you all we know, then receive the blessings one after another. And finally, all those object refuges dissolved into light, and that light dissolved back to our heart center with our mind, and meditating in the natural state of the Dzogchen.